A very good morning, children. Welcome back to my class, children. Today we will study grammar, chapter number 12. And the name of the chapter is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. The name of the chapter is demonstrative pronoun, and it's chapter number 12 of your class. Okay, students. First of all, let us see the definition. Whatever I have written on the board. What do you understand, or what is a demonstrative pronoun? What do you understand by demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out to the object or thing for which it is used. Do you understand? Look at the definition. A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out to the object or thing for which it is used. Now look here. Look at the example. This. What is this? These, that, these, those. All these are demonstrative pronouns. Okay. Okay. Not only one more definition. If you want to look at one more definition, you can see here. Look at one more definition. Demonstrative pronoun. Look at one more definition. Demonstrative pronoun. I am writing here one more definition. The pronoun used to point out, the object or things, The pronoun used to point out object or thing to which it refers, is called demonstrative pronoun. Very good. It's called demonstrative pronoun. Students, this is the definition that you have to learn. And the example is the same example what I have written here. जो example मैंने ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, the same example will be here. If you want to see, look at the example again. The example of demonstrative pronoun are these, that, these, those, etc. There are many more examples of demonstrative pronoun. Now, once again, students, look at the board. Today we are starting a new topic from grammar, chapter number 12, and the name of the chapter is demonstrative pronoun. Now, let us see. First of all, let us see the definitions. There are two definitions. You can learn any one. यहाँ पे दो definitions है. इन दोनों में से कोई भी आप एक learn कर सकते हैं. You can learn any one from here, from these two. Any one definition you can learn. They have the same meaning. The representation is different. बस definition को represent करने का तरीका अलग है. अन्यथा ये दोनों definitions का अर्थ same है. They have the same meaning. Okay, students, now look here. What is demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out the object or thing for which it is used. Now look here. The next definition, the pronoun used to point out the object or thing to which it refers is called demonstrative pronoun. Now students, look here. I hope it is clear. The definition is clear, everyone. Definition clear हो गया. What is demonstrative pronoun? Everyone show me your thumb. Students, you have to learn it. इसको आपको learn करना है. एक ऐसा शब्द जो किसी को point करता हो, उसे हम demonstrative pronoun कहते हैं. Show me your thumb, students. एक ऐसा सर्वनाम जो किसी वस्तु या किसी व्यक्ति को point करता हो, दिखाता हो, point करता हो, pointing. What is demonstrating? Demonstrating करने का मतलब होता है point करना. Clear, everyone? What is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun are pronoun that used to point the object. Like example, look here. I am pointing here. This is a marker. मैंने क्या कहा? This is a marker. I am pointing or I am demonstrating that this is it's a marker. Now look here. This is a duster. मैंने क्या यहाँ पे point किया है? This is a duster. Means the pronoun that used to point out an object or things is called what? Demonstrative pronoun. एक ऐसा pronoun जो किसी object को या किसी thing को point out करता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Demonstrative pronoun. Okay, वहां पे कोई व्यक्ति खड़ा है. If someone is standing far away, दूर खड़ा है मुझसे, तो मैं कहता हूँ, oh, that is my friend. That is my friend. वो मेरा friend है. That is my friend. तो यहाँ पे जो word that use किया है हमने, that is demonstrative pronoun. Clear everyone? What is demonstrative pronoun? Show me your thumb, students, if it is clear. Show me your thumb, students, if it is clear. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to erase the board. If you want to take the screenshot, please take it. Take the screenshot of the definition. Definitions का आप screenshot ले सकते हैं. It is written that what is demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out to the object or thing for which it is used. Or the second definition is that the pronoun used to point out the object or thing to which it refers is called demonstrative pronoun. And these are the examples. Now we will see the uses. Now you will see the uses, how to use this examples, this word. इस words को हमें कैसे use करना है. Look here. Now may I erase the board? Everyone? Yes? Everyone done, na? Fine. Now I'm going to erase the board. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Students, now look at the boards, everyone. I hope it is clear what is demonstrative pronoun. The word, a pronoun or a word which used to point out an object or a thing that is called what? Demonstrative pronoun. एक ऐसा pronoun या एक ऐसा शब्द जो किसी वस्तु को point करता हो, दर्शाता हो, दिखाता हो, point करके. Yes, that is called demonstrative pronoun. Students, now let us see the examples of demonstrative pronoun. Now look here, students, demonstrative pronoun. I'm writing here again. Demonstrative pronoun. Look here carefully. Now you can see the example here. The demonstrative pronouns के examples जो है. Now look here, everyone. How to use demonstrative pronoun? Near. What is this? Near. Near means what? जो पास हो, करीब हो, which is not far. Okay. And what? Another one is far. Now far means away from us. हमसे दूर, कुछ दूर पे हो, दूरी पे हो. Okay. Now we are going to see the examples how to use these, that, those का use कैसे करते हैं. Now look here, students. Everyone, I am writing here. This is an example of what? An demonstrative pronoun. And here also, this both are used for the object which is near. The object which is near. These and these and these are used for objects which are near. ये किसके लिए प्रयोग करते हैं हम जो ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे करीब हो उसके लिए हम these and these यूज करते हैं. Now look here, for far object हम क्या यूज करेंगे? That and those. Now look here, students, once again. Pictorial representations के साथ मैं आपको explain कर रहा हूँ. I'm explaining you through pictorial representations. Now look here, students, once again. Demonstrative pronoun. One student is raising her hand. Let us listen what she is saying. Okay, fine, class. Now look here. Demonstrative pronoun. We are studying, or we are learning how to use, where to use the examples of or the word which are demonstrative pronoun. Now look here. Demonstrative pronoun. We are looking here. Near means the object which is near, and here far, the object which is far. Okay. Now look here once again, student. It is used for what? Singular. It is used with singular noun. It is used with singular noun, and this it is used with plural noun. This is used with plural noun, and both we use for people or thing. दोनों people or thing के लिए ही use होता है. It is used with what? आई होप थ्रू पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ये क्लियर हो रहा है कि ये दिस हम किसके साथ यूज करेंगे, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट और सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ, एंड दिस इट इज यूज विद प्लूरल नाउन. नाउ लुक हियर, फार, near object के लिए, the object which is near to us, we will use these and this, and the object which is far from away or further away from us, we are going to use that. And here again, that it is used for, that किसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं हम, that it is used for singular. Again here, that is used for singular noun, and those it is used for plural noun, those it is used for plural noun. Clear everyone? Yes, show me your thumb if it is clear. Students, turn on your video and show me your thumb. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now look here once again. Demonstrative pronouns, the uses of the examples. Uses of the examples. How we are going to use demonstrative pronoun. How we are going to use demonstrative pronoun. Now uses of the examples. Uses. Here we use demonstrative. Object might be closer or far from us. Object दो condition हो सकता है. Either the object is closer to us or the object is far from us. ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास हो सकता है या कोई थिंग है हमारे करीब हो सकता है, वो पार हो सकता है. यस, दो चीज होती है दो कंडीशन में. तो हम उसको पॉइंट आउट कैसे करेंगे, हाउ टू पॉइंट आउट, हाउ टू यूज दिस डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. so these and these, they are used for the object which is near. Here the object which is near, the object or thing, object or thing which is near to us, जो ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे करीब होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट और थिंग, उसके लिए हम these and this का यूज करते हैं. we use this now. And the object which is far here, the object or thing which is far, we use that and those. Now where to use this is used with singular noun, and this it is used with plural noun. See the spelling, look at the spelling, students. Look carefully. This, it is used for singular noun, and these, it is used for plural noun. Now look here, the object which is far, we are going to use that and those. That और those का use हम object जो हमारे से far है, far यानी कि दूर है हमसे. For that we will use this one, that, and that is used for singular noun, and those it is used for plural noun. I hope it is clear, everyone. Clear? Show me your thumb, students. Fine, thank you very much. Now let us move on to some more explanations. Let us move on to some more explanations. Now points to remember. Points to remember. The same thing. What I have done here, जो मैंने यहाँ पे किया है, उसको हम written करेंगे. We will see in a written sentence. Okay, class. Now come back to the points to remember. Points to remember. Points to remember. These are the points which we have to remember. ये हमें याद करना है. We have to. These are the things which we have to remember. हमें याद रखना है. Okay. For demonstrative pronoun, these are the things that we have to remember. Now the first point. Look here at the first point. We use this and this for people or things, for people or things that are near to us. The same thing what I have explained you through pictorial representation. Yes, जो picture graph बना के मैंने जो explain किया वो same thing है. That we use these and these for people or things that are near to us, that are closer to us, near to us. Okay. Now let us see the second point, students. Look at the second point. We use that and those. We use that and those for people or things that are far from us. The object or the people or the things which are far from us, which are not closer to us, or which are not nearer to us. The object which are near to us, we will use these and these, and the object or the person or things that are closer, that are far from us, that are not nearer to us, we use that and those. Now, look here at the fourth point, third point. These and that. These and that are used to indicate singular noun, are used to indicate singular nouns. Look at the fourth point. These and these and those are used to indicate indicate plural nouns. Plural nouns. Okay, class, the same thing. We have been repeating the same thing, but this is the thing you have to remember. These are the things that you have to remember for demonstrative pronoun. To learn demonstrative pronoun, you have to what? You have to learn all these points. You have to learn. You have to remember all these things. Now let us see once again. What is demonstrative pronoun? A pronoun used to point out object or things. A pronoun used to point out object or things to which it refers. It is called what? Demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Now, as we have seen in the what pictorial representations, that how to use the examples. What were the examples of demonstrative pronoun? These are the examples. These, and that, and those, etc. These are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. Now, look at this point to remember how to use. We use these and these for people or things that are near to us. Look here, I'm underlining here. You have to remember these and this and this. It is used for the things or objects which are nearer to us. Now we use that and those. We use that and those for people. For people means for objects, for things. किसके लिए? किसी व्यक्ति के लिए, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट सामान के लिए हम दीज और डैट का यूज करते हैं, और डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन का यूज करते हैं पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए. नाउ वी यूज दैट एंड दोस फॉर पीपल और थिंग्स दैट आर फार फ्रॉम अस. दैट आर फार फ्रॉम अस मींस फार मींस दूर, कुछ दूर है, हमसे, हमारे करीब नहीं है. ओके, एग्जांपल, लुक हियर नाउ. After erasing this, we will look over to the examples. Okay. Now look here once again. Now it is clear these two, first and second point. It is clear, everyone. The first point and second point. Look carefully, students. It is clear, everyone. Clear now. The first point and second point. These and these are used for the object or the person or people which are nearer to us, and that and those are used for people or things that are far from us. Now these and that. Now look here. These and that are used to indicate singular noun. They are used to point out singular noun. These and that, they are used to point out singular noun. Singular, अगर एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, एक सामान है, एक व्यक्ति है, तो हम these and that use करेंगे. If it is nearer to us, we will use this, and if it is far from us, we are going to use that. Now look here, these and those are used to indicate plural nouns. Means if the objects, there are so many objects or so many persons or things are there, so we will point out, we will use the demonstrative pronoun these and those. Okay. I hope it is clear. Take the screenshot, students. Yeah, fine. I think everyone has taken the screenshot. Now, students, let us see some example to understand the chapter. The chapter is over. The explanation is over. Students, the explanation of this chapter is over. It was about only demonstrative. It was about only demonstrative pronouns. So, the explanation I have explained you. Now, please let us move on to the examples now. Okay, students, now let us see some examples. I hope you understand about demonstrative pronoun. Now we will see some examples of demonstrative pronoun. So everybody look at the board. Number one, dash is a boy. Number two, dash are boys. Number three is a tree. Number four, dash are trees. Now look at the example. We have to fill up this blanks with the help of demonstrative pronoun. Now first of all, look at the object here or look at the people or person. What does demonstrative pronoun do? A demonstrative pronoun point out people or things. Point out people or things. Demonstrative pronoun करता क्या है? वो किसी point या किसी thing को, किसी person या किसी व्यक्ति को point out करता है. Okay. Now here I am pointing out that dash is a boy. तो क्या use करेंगे? This one it is singular. ये हमारा noun कौन सा है? Singular है. So I am going to use here this. This is a boy. Fine. Now look here again. Again here it is boys. Boys. Now it is plural. This one it was singular. ये हमारा singular था. तो हमने क्या use किया? This. Now this is plural and what? It is nearer. These are boys जो हमारे करीब हो. वो sentence पे depend करेगा. It will depend on the sentence. So we can use here this plural form के लिए. Okay. These are boys. Now tree is far from me, from us. अगर पेड़ हमसे थोड़ी दूर पे है and if it is a singular then what you will use here? That is a tree. That is a tree. Now there are so many trees. This is singular again here. ये singular है. For singular what we are using and here boys was plural. Now here tree it is plural here and if it is plural what we will use? हमसे दूर है. It is far from us and it is plural then we are going to use here those. Fine. I hope it is clear, students, everyone. Example, through the examples, I think you understand about demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Now let us see some more examples, students. Now, okay, listen one more thing. Take care of this. Look here. Number 5. I think you can see. Yes. Now look here. Dash books are mine. So what can I say here? These. It is plural. ये books plural है तो हमने यहाँ पे these use कर लिया. That these books are mine, but this is not demonstrative. ये demonstrative नहीं है. Look here. ये demonstrative नहीं, demonstrative pronoun नहीं है. ये demonstrative है. It is demonstrative, but it is not pronoun. We are on which chapter? Demonstrative pronoun. Look carefully. Just after demonstrative word, if it is a noun, अगर यहाँ पे कोई noun आता है, what is book? Book is a noun, तो ये demonstrative adjective हो जाएगा. Here this is qualifying the book. यहाँ पे इस book की विशेषता बता रहा है ये this. Okay, it is describing the book. So यहाँ पे listen carefully. अगर इन words के बाद noun आएगा, if there is a noun after this word, after all these words, then all will be, देखो बेटा, look carefully, यहाँ पे कहीं पे नाउन नहीं था, देयर वाज नो नाउन, बट अगर दिस के बाद नाउन आता है, लाइक एग्जांपल, लुक हियर वन एग्जांपल, लाइक दिस पेन इज हिज, यह कलम उसकी है, तो यहाँ पे ये दिस डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन नहीं है, इट्स नॉट अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन, टेक केयर, बिकॉज नाउन इज फॉलोड आफ्टर दिस, इसके बाद नाउन आ रहा है यहाँ पे, इट इज अ नाउन स्टूडेंट्स, ये नाउन है, तो अगर ये इन सारे वर्ड्स के बाद अगर कोई नाउन आता है तो वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन नहीं होगा, वो क्या होगा आपका, दैट विल बी अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव, उस कंडीशन में, in that condition, all these examples of demonstrative pronoun will change to demonstrative adjective. Clear? Yes, I hope it is clear. Yes, I hope it is clear. Thank you very much, students. Now it's your turn. If you want to ask or if you have a doubt, you can ask the question. You may ask the question.